Hello to all the traders and investors from your own channel Trading Guru. Today we are going to go ahead and check the post market analysis and also plan tomorrow's strategy on Bank Nifty, Nifty, and we will also share 5 intraday picks for tomorrow. So do subscribe to our channel if you are a new member so that you get amazing updates like this on the tip of your thumb. If you see US 30 at the moment, it's extremely bullish. If you see 33,200 was a level where it at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and it started moving upwards. It was trading at about 33,270 at the market closure, and then from there it has just shooted up and hit 33,475. This also happens to be the all-time high for US markets Dow Jones. So this is surely going to be a positive. We will let you know what are the news in the market due to which the market actually fell down today, and what can happen tomorrow. If you see STX Nifty at the moment, is it's going muted. It's not moving upwards, it's not moving downwards, it's like a sideways movement, and it wants to go ahead and take some time after that crazy fall, like it was a nosedive, I would rather say, and then just trying to come upside. If you see Nifty Bank on 15 minutes chart, you can see that at the moment it is trading above 15 moving average, which is slightly a positive. However, if you see, it's below the 50, 100 and 200 moving average by a big margin. If you see 33,335 is the 100 moving, and 33,391 is the 200 moving. So if you see, it is trading at 32,715. I want it to go ahead and break at least the 50 moving average, that is 33,089, for some bulls to come back with some hope if there is no lockdown possibilities in the coming days. If you see on 1 day chart, a bearish sign altogether. If you see right here, it did go ahead and take support at this blue line, which is also the 100-day moving average, and then it just moved upwards. However, we do see that this candle right here, in the past, I think 5 days back, it did take support at the specific level, right, this candle. Okay, but I don't know. At the moment, it's like the global cues are pretty much positive, but the threat of lockdown in Maharashtra has actually pulled the Bank Nifty down. I would not just say Bank Nifty, but the entire stock market, excluding the IT stocks, down. And people are really bearish at the moment. So, as a lot of people say, not taking a trade some days is also a very good trade. So if you are new to the market, or else if you are confused, totally confused which way the market is going, I would rather ask you to go ahead and take a break of few days and come back next week when you have a clearer view. If you check Nifty, still in a better position compared to Bank Nifty. It's trading somewhere near to that 15 and 50 moving average, though it has closed below that, which is a concern sign. But still, the IT stocks, at least they are pulling it up and keeping it alive in the market. On 15 minutes, again, if you see this amazing recovery that happened, it had actually crossed that level of 14,500, and people were like, oh my god, now 14,100, then 13,800. But some excellent support shown at that level, 14,500, and from there it has pulled itself back to those levels of 14,650. I still feel that it has to cross that 14,722 mark, which was a support earlier. Now it can be a resistance. So that is the mark to go ahead and watch in the future. Talking about the FIs and DIs activity, if you see, it's all red. Just a little buying done by DIIs of about 75 crores, which is really negligible. And if you see, FIs have sold 931 crores in cash market. In index futures, they have sold about 1802 crores, and in index, they have sold about 278 crores. And especially the worrisome sign is in FIs stock futures, they have sold about 2291 crores. Talking about today's pick, it was an amazing day for us. If you see our yesterday's video, you will find that we had given these 5 stocks with levels, and if you see, 3 stocks have met their target on the sell side and 2 stocks have met their target on the buy side. You can go on the charts, take a screenshot of this and check. We have been delivering amazing results for learning purpose, but it is really working out really well on intraday picks. So for tomorrow, these are our picks. The first pick for tomorrow is HCL Technologies, 1040. You can go ahead and buy at that level and you can sell at 1019. Bharti Airtel, you can buy above 530 and sell below 518. Adani Ports, you can buy above 745.2 and sell below 719. IRCTC, you can buy above 1734 and sell below 1692. HDFC Bank, you can buy above 1463 and sell below 1435. The targets and stop loss are mentioned on your screen. You can take a screenshot, keep it for yourself, make a note of all these points which will actually help you tomorrow in the market. And for me, I think there are 3 things that need to be considered. Number one is the global cues, which are extremely positive amidst the US markets moving positive and at all-time high. I do not see much of panic in US market in the remaining 3-4 hours of trading, and it should be somewhere in that range when it closes 33,500 or 33,400. So that will again be a positive sign for the Indian markets. It will also be a positive sign for all the IT stocks, since they are also awaiting results, and as the US markets are booming, you can expect some good moves in IT stocks that can support Nifty. Bank Nifty stocks are looking weak. However, HDFC Bank has corrected heavily. I see it dropping from 1560 levels to this 1440 odd levels, which is about 8 to 9% of correction already. It can go ahead and give some support to Bank Nifty, but for me, I think it is going to be a sideways market tomorrow. Buy on rise and sell on dips pattern can actually make a lot of money for you. So that is it from our side. I hope you have liked this video, and you are going to go ahead and subscribe. Please hit that button right now. I don't know, it just has to be clicked, and we have to go ahead and welcome you to this family. So please subscribe. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. You have a great day ahead.